feel like being Cavalier means just like being who you are.
Just to be your own self.
I mean, our saying this year is be your own Cavalier. And I think everybody here can agree with that it's not all the same thing for everybody.
I think it means showing up, being honest with others and yourself,
striving for your best,
means just to be myself and represent my school.
Accepting everybody for who they are.
I feel like that's just like what Western is all about. It's just like being who you are, not being afraid to show it. For me, it's being part of a team. It's helping somebody around me, showing up and doing my best every single day, coming in with a good attitude.
Because the community, just a lot of very friendly people around.
Show up every day and not make excuses.
Showing like pride for the college you go to instead of just attending it and just being a number.
Use your gifts and talents to just, represent your school.
Every time you put on Western apparel, you just got to think about who you're representing, all the people that you're representing that care about you.
Being like proud of the school.
Because it is a good place to be in, and I want to represent that, and I want to push that out to people.
There's so much that is offered here, and so many ways to get involved.
It's everybody trying to help each other, and nobody's really left behind, which I love. But like also being able to have fun and meet new people and try new things. It just makes me feel very included and like thought about and cared about. Just Western being there to help you, encourage you through the way is even something to be even more proud of.
It's just kind of fun. Like if you really just lean into it and like decide that you are this, I think it makes your experience better. You connect with people easier, and I don't know, I just think it's fun to lean into that.
To actually be on a team and be able to represent them as an athlete and doing something I love means more to me than anything in the world.